72 heavy Chevy. This will be before. Factory door panels from the heavy Chevy. So it's automatic. This is gonna be going 6-speed, go to digital. Vending chair is gonna go in it. It's gonna get tore down right now. All stock suspension currently on it. Engine's already out. Wiring all over the place. It's factory though, I can't complain much. Some that's aftermarket. This is gonna get all revamped. We're gonna be shaving the firewall, removing all the wires. Detroit speed's gonna go in. Willwood setup. We got QA1 coilover system, control arms front and back for it. LS3 crate engine, 6-speed T56 Super Magnum going in it. We got some new LED lights for it coming. We got new wheels. Got mirrors, handles coming in. Gonna go all matte black. Some LED tail lights gonna go on it. So just thought I'd give a quick walk around of the before of the 72 heavy Chevy. So we'll be posting some after, possibly in between of the job. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see more of the process. But real deal heavy Chevy. Like I said, these are one-off door panels. Can't get these repop. These are the factory ones. Heavy Chevy didn't come with the carpet though. It came with like a vinyl. It's kind of a more your base chevelle that it came with the SS style features as far as the dome hood. You know,